Shri Matri Namaha Guru Kataksham Ambala Anugraham Paripurnam. Welcome to my channel Shakti Awakening with Vidya Prakash. If you are coming to my channel for the first time, do subscribe. And if you are already a subscriber, I thank you so much for all the support in the form of likes, shares, and comments. In this video, I am going to walk you through all you need to perform Lalitambika Navaratri. This is going to be a very powerful video for you where I'm going to give you step-by-step process and deeper understanding of why you have to worship Lalitambika during this Lalita Navaratri. And there is one powerful mantra, I would say, I'll be revealing to you so that you get maximum benefit of worshipping Mata Lalitambika during this Navaratri. So let's start with the session. If you want to go deeper into Shakti Sadhana, I am conducting free workshop where you can attend the workshop, and if you resonate, you can continue the journey with me. And also, I am giving you an opportunity to enroll into Lalita Navaratri Sadhana course. It's a course, a mastery course where I give you a step-by-step process of worshipping Mata Lalitambika for all the 9 days. I am giving the link below this video in the description. If you are interested, you can enroll into the course. So let us start with Lalitambika Navaratri. This year, Lalitambika Navaratri is from 30th March to 7th of April. This Lalitambika Navaratri is famously called as Chaitra Navaratri or Vasanta Navaratri. People who are in Sri Vidya, they know about this particular Navaratri. They utilize this time period to deepen their sadhana. So I am going to reveal those sadhana process to you so that you can also worship Mata Lalitambika and seek her blessings and grace into your life. In these 9 days, what you can do? You can chant Lalita Sahasranamam, you can chant Lalita Trishati, you can do mantra japam if you are initiated or whatever mantra you know of Lalitambika. You can do Shodashopachara Puja to Mata Lalitambika. But I'm going to give you step by step. There is one particular mantra that you can chant during this Lalitambika Navaratri. And that is what I'm going to walk you through. And then I will be walking you through step by step process of what you should be doing on these 9 days to seek Ambal's Anugraham into your life. In our Vedic astrology, there are 27 nakshatras, the stars. So when you were born, on that particular day, there will be one nakshatra, which we call it as Janma Nakshatra. And we also, as per our Vedic culture, we celebrate our birthdays on the nakshatra day as well. And if you look at it, there are 27 nakshatras, and each nakshatra has 4 padams. Let's say Ashwini Nakshatra, in Ashwini Nakshatra, there will be 4 padams. So if you multiply 27 into 4, it comes to 108, 108. So this 108 is a very significant number. It represents the complete influence of the divine energy in human life. And that's the reason we have, even for mantra chanting, it is recommended in our Vedic scriptures to chant 108 times because it impacts your life completely. Yeah, even the Japamala will have 108 beats. Yeah, because that is the power which will actually help you in every aspect of your life. It will make your life complete when you chant mantras. And if you look at it, there is something called Ashtotra Shatanamavali. It is called as Ashtotrams or Ashtotra Namavali. There is Ganesha Ashtotram, Lakshmi Ashtotram, Vishnu Ashtotram, Shiva Ashtotram, Krishna Ashtotram. But among all the Ashtotrams, Lalitambika Ashtotram is very unique and very, very powerful. Because this Lalitambika Ashtotram, each namam is mantra itself. Each namam holds a very powerful vibrational energy of Mata Lalitambika, which has the power to transform your life. This 108 namams, which is the Lalita Ashtotram, when you chant this Ashtotram, it will eliminate any kinds of doshas in your horoscope. If you are experiencing issues in your life because of the planetary positions like Sadi Sati or Manglik or um, Kuja dosha, Shani dosha, any kind of doshas, because of the planetary positions, planetary afflictions, you will be able to come out of it because this particular mantra can transform. And most importantly, during this Lalitambika Navratri, when you chant this Ashtotram, it is going to be very powerful. Now, I'll be revealing a secret of this Lalitambika Ashtotram. And that's why I'm recommending you to chant Lalitambika Ashtotram on this Lalitambika Navaratri. Each name, each namam in this Ashtotram is Shodashi mantra. Shodashi mantra is the ultimate mantra of Mata Lalitambika. And each namam actually is equivalent to you chanting Shodashi mantra. So if you are not initiated into Srividya, but you still want to chant Ambal's namam, then chant Lalita Ashtotra. Chant Lalita Ashtotra Shatanamavali. Unlike other Ashtotra Shatam, I told you, you have Ganapati Ashtotram, Lakshmi Ashtotram, Shiva Ashtotram, Krishna Ashtotram, Vishnu Ashtotram. You have Ashtotra Namavali for all the divine, all the gods. But if you look at all the Ashtotrams, the length of each name is different. But in Lalitambika Ashtotram, every name is composed of exactly 12 words. And adding on to that, there is Namo Namaha. For each Namam, there is Namo Namaha, which becomes 16 letters, which actually resonates with Shodashi mantra of Sri Vidya. That's the reason I tell you that this is a secret code where the Sri Vidya is actually secretly encoded within this Lalitambika Ashtotara Shatanamavali. And if you are someone who is initiated into Sri Vidya, you can add, you can prefix with that Bija mantra, which will add more power to your chanting. This way, you will be actually, this Navaratri is very special because this is the time period where you'll be able to tap the Ambal's energy easily. Ambal's energy is easily accessible to us on earth during this 9 days, and that's the reason it is very important. And if you look at the normal Navaratri, it is about you celebrating with friends and families. When it comes to Lalitambika Navaratri, it is you starting your inner journey. So it is you doing it alone. Yeah, that is the power of this Lalitambika Navaratri because this is a Navaratri to transform your life. Now you know the power of chanting Ashtotra Shatam, Ashtotra and during Lalitambika Navaratri it is going to be very powerful. So now you understood the meaning. Now let us understand the process of performing puja to Mata Lalitambika on these 9 days. So for this, what you have to do, every day take bath, wear clean clothes, go to your puja room, light the lamp, invoke Lord Ganesha, invoke Guru, invoke your Kuladevam, invoke your Ishtadevam, and then you can perform Shodashopachara Puja or Panchopachara Puja. I have done a detailed video on Shodashopachara Puja. I'll be giving the link below the video. You can the link in the description. You can go through and you can learn how to perform Shodashopachara Puja and perform Shodashopachara Puja, and then you can start chant Ashtotra Namavali, and then you can complete your prayer, complete your worship for the day. So this is how you do for these 9 days. Now let us understand the benefit. Why you have to do. Usually I always say do not expect benefit for you to chant mantras or perform puja, but by understanding its importance, it will encourage and motivate you to do this puja so that you are able to get the maximum benefit, and you are able to actually tap into Ambal's energy on these 9 days, and that's the reason you have to know the benefits. So the first and most important benefit is by performing the Lalitambika Navaratri sadhana, it will remove the karmic obligations. It will remove the obstacles that is being created due to your karma, and it will when you remove the karmic obligation, you will be able to allow the divine blessing enter into your life. So that is the first and most important benefit. The second benefit is it will help you to attract wealth and prosperity. It will The third is it will help you to enhance your relationships. Yeah, if you have any relationship issues, you'll be able to overcome them. It will help you enhance your spiritual energy with Shakti, and it will help you the and most importantly, it protects you from negativity. It protect you from negative influences in your life. So these are the benefits of you performing Lalitambika Navaratri. And if you want to learn how to do every single day, and if you want to learn deeper understanding of this Navaratri sadhana, or if you want to do Navaratri sadhana in the proper way, then I invite you to enroll into my course called Lalitambika Navaratri Sadhana Mastery. You can enroll into the course. I'm giving the link in the description. You can enroll and continue your journey with me in my community, in Shakti Awakening community. So do that. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. And I hope this video inspires you to perform Lalitambika Navaratri Sadhana. Do that and seek Amba's Anugraham into your life. Shri Matre Namaha. Guru Kataksham Ambal Anugraham Paripurna.